How to fix Facebook notifications not working on Android. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to solve the Facebook notification not working problem on Android. So let's get started. First, ensure that your Facebook app is updated. Open the Play Store and search for Facebook, and if you see an update button, tap it to update your application. Next, open the Facebook app. Go to your profile by tapping on your profile in the top right corner, then select the settings icon. Scroll down and find notifications. Under the preferences section, tap on it, then go to comments and make sure all notifications are allowed. Turn the notification off and then back on. After that, open your device settings and navigate to your applications. Find Facebook and go to notifications. Make sure that allow notification is toggled on. Then go to storage and clear the cache. Once you have completed these steps, your notification issue should be resolved. And that's it. If you like this tutorial, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.